If you want to create stunning AI artwork with ChatGPT, this tutorial will walk you through the exact process step by step. Whether you're making concept art, social media graphics, or just experimenting with creative prompts, ChatGPT can help you generate ideas and transform them into visual artwork faster than ever. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open ChatGPT by going to chatgpt.com in your browser, or launch the ChatGPT mobile app if you're working from your phone. Once you're in, take a look at the model selector in the top left corner. For the best image generation experience, make sure you're using GPT-4o or the latest available model. That's important because the model you choose can affect the quality, creativity, and accuracy of your results. Now that your model is set, go down to the message bar at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll type the prompt that tells ChatGPT what kind of artwork you want to create. The more specific your prompt is, the better your image result will usually be. Instead of just saying something vague like make art, try describing the style, subject, mood, colors, and setting. For example, you could type something like create an oil painting of a futuristic city in the style of Van Gogh. That gives ChatGPT a clear subject, a medium, and a style reference, which helps it understand exactly what you're looking for. You can also add extra details if you want even more control. Instance, you might include lighting, composition, or atmosphere, like a neon-lit futuristic city at sunset, highly detailed, cinematic, and vibrant. After you've written your prompt, click the Send button, which is the upward arrow in the message box. ChatGPT will process your request and generate the artwork based on your instructions. Depending on the complexity of the prompt and the speed of the system, it may take a little moment for the image to appear, so give it a few seconds. Once the artwork is generated, review the result carefully. If it's close but not quite right, don't worry. One of the best parts about using ChatGPT for AI artwork is that you can refine your prompt and try again. You might change the art style, simplify the background, adjust the color palette, or ask for a different mood until you get something that matches your vision. If you want more consistent results, try using structured prompts. Start with the subject, then add the style, then the details, and finally the mood. For example, subject, medium, artistic style, lighting, and composition. This simple formula can make a big difference when creating AI artwork because it gives ChatGPT a clearer creative direction. You can also use ChatGPT to brainstorm variations before generating the final image prompt. If you're not sure how to describe your idea, ask ChatGPT to help you rewrite your prompt in a more visual way. That can save time and help you get better results faster, especially if you're creating artwork for a project, thumbnail, concept board, or personal design inspiration. The key is to experiment, try different prompts, compare the outputs, and see which wording gives you the look you want. Over time, you'll get much better at writing prompts that produce stronger AI artwork. That's what makes ChatGPT such a useful creative tool. It's not just about generating images, it's about helping you shape ideas into visuals. And that's it. You now know how to use ChatGPT to generate AI artwork using the model selector, a detailed prompt, and the Send button. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.